Hello, this video is to show you on how to self-enroll in any course in OCW. First, you have to create your account by going to the login button on the top right hand side corner of the page. Then, click create new account and follow the procedure until you have completed. Once you have verified your email address, you should have received one email allowing you to log in directly into the portal. To log in, use the username that you have registered, followed by the password. Click login. Once you have logged in, you can click on explore more to view all the courses that is available inside the course. From here, you can either search for the specific course that you want or choose any of the courses that is already available for you. In this case, I'm going to choose dental and click on view course. From here, you can view the overview of the course, the expectation of study, and what you will achieve at the end of the course. Finally, if there is any enrollment key, you need to key in the enrollment and click on Enroll Me, or if there's no enrollment key, you can simply click Enroll Me at the bottom here or from the top right hand side corner here. In this case, for dental, it should be ethics is the key. Once you click on Enroll Me, you'll be enrolled in the course as a student. Thank you and have a good learning.